Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Garageband and picking a live loops template so you're in the right view immediately. Connect your interface or headphones, set the project tempo in BPM, and choose an input for recording. This matters because timing and sound quality change everything. Once done, enable the metronome and pick a grid resolution like 1/4, 1/8, or 1/16. This controls loop length and quantization. Make sure your monitoring works so you hear what you play. Next, start creating content by tapping a cell to record live or dragging Apple loops into cells to build a palette. You should overdub with punch-in recording when layering drums, bass, and melody. This gives control without breaking existing clips. Once clips exist, trim edges and set each cell's loop length so they lock rhythmically. Quantize where needed to tighten timing. As you add layers, use mute and solo to audition combinations, and find the groove you want to keep. To finish, perform by triggering scenes and individual cells. Use the crossfader or mute buttons to make smooth transitions during live takes. When you're satisfied, bounce to a track or export the song to disk. Pick the sample rate and bit depth to match your delivery needs. If clips drift or stutter, check buffer size, disable unnecessary plugins, and confirm project tempo matches recorded material. If latency persists, lower buffer or use direct monitoring, so performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.